Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tech. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to download Telegram that you can use for your airdrop, TapSwap airdrop, any airdrop that is in your mind. Today I'm going to show you how to download Telegram that you can use it to download any that I can use it to mine any airdrop that is coming or anyone that is dropping now. So keep your head steady and learn from me. So our first step today, we are going to click on the Google Play Store. So this is the Google Play Store. This is the Google Play Store. When you click the Google Play Store, it's going to take you to its dashboard. So what you need to do now, for you to click on the search. You're going to click on the search. After clicking on the search icon, the next thing you need to do now is for you to type the Telegram name on your search bar. You see it? Telegram. So you click on search. This is it. Telegram. This is it. So what you need to do now is for you to click on install. So it will take some minutes depending on your network, and the app will install into your phone automatically. After downloading, automatically app will install into your phone. So it will take some time depending on network. Like for me, my own network is a bit busy, so that's why it's taking a bit long for it to install into my phone. So but time to install, so let's just wait small. After finish installation, so you see install where you can see install, and you can see here again right open. So what we need to do now is for us to click on the open and log in our phone number and start mining any new airdrop that our friend or relationship give us. Please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.